Tinubu and Ganduje has collected Kano State from Kwakwanso, the only state Kwakwanso used to boast. I thought Kwakwanso worked for Tinubu during presidential election by making sure that Labour Party and PDP did not have vote in Kano. Anyway, I am coming back to talk about that. But for the now, just take a look at what happened after the court session today that sacked the NNPP governor of Kano State.
صلى الله على نبينا محمد وآله وصحبه وسلم. قل اللهم مالك الملك تؤتي الملك من تشاء وتنزع الملك ممن تشاء وتعز من تشاء بيدك الخير إنك على كل شيء قدير. Today we are here at appeal court. Alhamdulillah, we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for granting us victory today. You may recall that at the tribunal it was held that Nasr Gawuna and APC had a valid case, and the election of the governor was cancelled, and the rule in favor of APC was Gawuna as the governor of Kano State. The aggrieved party, that is the government, has appealed the judgment, and today we are here and the judgment has been delivered. The judgment, it is in favor of APC, declaring Nasiru Gawuna and Murtala Sulangaro as the governor and deputy respectively. The tribunal was able to establish that the governor Abba Kabir Yusuf was not a member of NPP, but could not deliver judgment on that. Today, the appeal court has gone further. After declaring that Abba was not a member of NPP at the time of election, it has also delivered that he is not entitled to be the governor under that party. In fact, the ruling clearly said that it's a reckless act by the party to sponsor somebody who's not his own member. So today, alhamdulillah, we are very happy. We thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the people of Kano State, and our leader, the national chairman of APC. We also thank everybody in Nigeria, particularly in Kano. We have been praying very hard for this day, and alhamdulillah, Allah has answered our prayers. Today, all the rumors, everything to do with that election has been thrashed, and it has been completely taken, and also a ruling has been delivered. And I'm happy that every one of us here, as we see from APC, we know what we have done. During the election, we know what we have done. We won the election, but because we want to live peacefully, we had to go to court. And today, the court has delivered a fair judgment. Thank you very much.
Just give him space. The lawyer is coming.
Okay, my name is Rabi Suleiman Bishi, the director of the that's Gowda, Kano State.
Now, listen to this. I am not from Kano State, but I will tell you that there is no working constitution on law in Nigeria. And I'm going to tell you the very fact. The reason why they sacked this governor is because of a party issue. They said that before the election that he was not a member of the party. Now, from the Federal High Court to the Appeal Court to the Supreme Court, they have ruled that another party member doesn't have right to interfere in other parties' affairs. This is the same case that Tinubu brought against P2B in the Appeal Court and the Supreme Court. Appeal Court and Supreme Court also said that Tinubu don't have right to interfere whether P2B came to the Labour Party early or he did not come to the party early. So parties' affairs, no court has right to interfere in it. So you don't have right to tell the party you did not sponsor this candidate. This candidate is supposed not to be a member of your political party. You don't have that right. Right from the time, judiciary, I mean the court, has affirmed firmly on this. If not, they could have even used it to easily sack P2B and end the case, but they did not find a way to do it because right from the time it is consistent. In that state, the same thing happened. There is this man that won Ndode Endomendu in a Federal House of Representatives, and in the Federal Constituency in Delta North. What happened? Endomendu now went to court in Asaba, and I don't know what happened between they and the judge. They just affirmed that PDP Endomendu won. But when they went to the appeal court in Benin City, I think so, the court still affirmed that Endomendu don't have right to interfere in the affairs of the party. That if the man is in the Labour Party or is not in the Labour Party, as far as the Labour Party sponsored him, he is the rightful candidate to go for the election. So, to tell you that the reason why court will be lying against the constitution like what they did for Tinubu is because there is an upper hand sitting on the case. Ganduje now is the APC chairman, so he's always with Tinubu. If that is the only favor he will take Tinubu, I want this state to return to APC. If not, we are going to lose next election. So if we return this state to APC, next election, we have more ground to return you to power. Politicians, how they play their trick. And maybe Tinubu will tell him, no problem, I will do that. Okay, call the president of the appeal court for me. They will look for the way to bribe those judges, and they will just affirm that that governor of APC is the one that won the election. How come? They are not talking about vote. They are not contesting about vote. They are just saying that the man is not a member of the political party. Who said so? Come on, this is so bad. I think Nigerians should wake up because this party, APC, they have hijacked the judiciary. They have hijacked the legislature. They have hijacked everything that is hijackable in this country. And the earlier we realize this, the better for us.